Okay, this is the continuation video for class 8 chemistry, where we are studying about conditions necessary for chemical reactions. So the last condition is catalyst. So what are catalyst? Catalyst is a substance that either increases or decreases the rate of reaction. That means it can make the reaction faster or it may slow it down without itself undergoing any chemical change. So it should not be involved in the chemical reaction. Some chemical reactions need a catalyst either to fasten it up or to slow it down. So there are two kinds of catalyst, one to fasten, the other to slow. So positive catalyst, these are the catalyst where it helps the reaction to move faster. So when a catalyst increases the rate of reaction, it is known as positive catalyst. For example, on being heated to 700 degrees Celsius, potassium chlorate decomposes to evolve oxygen gas. But when the manganese dioxide is mixed with it in the ratio 1:4, the decomposition takes place at a much lower temperature, that is at about 300 degrees Celsius. In this reaction, manganese dioxide acts as a positive catalyst and remains unaffected. So we have done this reaction earlier also in the evolution of gas. So you can see here potassium chlorate with the presence of manganese dioxide helps it to decompose at 300 degrees Celsius to give potassium chlorate and oxygen. Another example, similarly, finely divided iron is used as a positive catalyst in the manufacture of ammonia from hydrogen and nitrogen. This reaction was earlier discussed during the condition pressure. Now it is being discussed to cite an example for catalyst. So here nitrogen and hydrogen is reacting in the presence of iron. So iron acts as a catalyst. Okay, it is a positive catalyst. It helps the reaction to move faster. And there is MO written here. Okay, let us see what is that, and promoter written here. So promoters, substances that improve the efficiency of a catalyst are called promoters. For example, molybdenum acts as a promoter to increase the efficiency of the catalyst. Iron in the formation of ammonia gas from hydrogen and nitrogen. So promoters cannot work without a catalyst. That means here if I don't put if I do not put iron, right, I am only using this molybdenum, then the reaction will take place at the same rate. It cannot be made faster, right? This promoter is to help iron to do its work. Okay, so I hope you understood the meaning of promoters. Then we can go to negative catalyst. So coming to the negative catalyst, when a catalyst decreases the rate of chemical reaction, that means it slows the chemical reaction, it is known as a negative catalyst. Examples: phosphoric acid acts as a negative catalyst to decrease the rate of decomposition of hydrogen peroxide. Alcohol too acts as a negative catalyst in the certain chemical reactions. Enzymes as catalyst in a biochemical reaction. So enzymes are the complex organic compounds made up of protein units which is present in our body that acts as a catalyst for a biochemical reaction. A biochemical reaction is a reaction in which can occur in living beings, right, or biochemical reactions in the body cells of living beings. For example, the process of digesting the food is a series of complex chemical reactions which is a very slow process. One meal can take 50 years to get digested without the presence of enzymes, but with the presence of enzymes it can be done in 2 to 3 hours. There are certain enzymes like amylase present in saliva breaks starch into simpler sugars. Pepsin in the stomach breaks proteins into amino acids. Amylase, trypsin and lipase in the small intestine helps to break down starch, fats and proteins into glucose. Fatty acids and glycerol and amino acid respectively. So these enzymes are helping for the chemical reaction, that is digestion. Enzymes present in the living cells of yeast help in the conversion of maltose or carbohydrate into glucose. So maltose plus water in the presence of enzyme maltase will give me glucose. The enzyme gymase, which is present in the yeast cell, helps in the fermentation of glucose into alcohol. So glucose can be changed into alcohol because of the enzyme